Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you silver beads Aari work blouse design. So please watch the video till end. Friends, silver color beads work not just make saree blouse fancy and fashionable, but it's also create your saree blouse perfect for all kind of occasion like parties, function, wedding, engagement, festival. Considering that this video we are showing you some of the best silver color beads work blouse design for your saree. These kind of silver beads work saree blouse pattern are adapted to pair up with a silk saree and designer sarees. This kind of silver beads work designer saree that capability to dress up any simple or plain looking saree. Friends, this kind of beadswork blouse has silver beads all over and has a back hook opening. This kind of beadswork is so beautiful that it gives an elaborate and exclusive look to this party wear and wedding blouse. Pair it with a plain silk saree or rich designer saree to make you look so less than a glamorous. Friends, the saree blouse has sleeve where in a silver beads of different size are used along with neckline and on front part. The silver beads in similar and large size are used in geometric patterns. Friends, in this blouse design, beautiful color has silver beadswork over the neckline and elbow. The blouse design is perfect for any kind of festival, where a sari is a good choice for Indian traditional wear. Friends, this kind of blouse design with silver beads work would take your traditional wear to another level. This kind of blouse design has beadswork neckline, but that is only given half of side. Friends, the silver beadswork is given at the back, which has nice cut. The boat-shaped neckline of this kind of blouse make it perfect for any silk saree or Georgian sarees. Friends, silver beads also look really good when done in combination with saree and sequins and also kundan stone. Friends, this kind of heavy embossed blouse design that has beautiful heart shape back neckline and around front neckline with front hook. This kind of blouse design look amazingly beautiful when you have a silver beads all over. Silver with different color combination that can make any ethnic wear look extraordinarily beautiful. Friends, this kind of silver bead blouse is perfect for any brides for any bridal occasion. Silver beads with small design of element and peacock, it look extraordinary and exclusively with deep sweetheart neckline. The silver beadswork on any color blouse is given yet twice by keeping the beads on the neckline and sleeve. It is an exclusively and very heavy partywear blouse which would look glamorous for a grand occasion. Friends, mirror work and silver beads is also a good combination for all your festival wear and traditional wear dresses. Friends, beautifully embossed work is a best things in this kind of blouse design. This exclusively looking blouse design has beautiful silver beadswork on the neckline and sleeve. This kind of blouse design is a good pattern to go with women with different body types. Friends, silver beads with kundan work make this blouse design is a perfect example of luxury meet classicness. It is perfect for any kind of occasion where you have to look your best. This kind of blouse design perfect size for all type of saree. Friends, I hope you guys love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, if you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.